What we're going to demonstrate today is the ability to use the NewTek machinery to automate and improve the process to make tapered panels.
All right, what we're going to do is demonstrate the PLC, programming it to run a job. We're going to run a 6-foot, 6-inch panel. All we do is go to our job entry, tap on it with our brand new PLC system. Previous job, job number 1, we want 1 quantity. What we're going to do is we're going to cut 1 piece, and then all we do is just tap enter. Total length is 6 foot, 6 inches, and we want it to pause after the first cut. So once we're done with that, we'll have to fire up the machine. We'll hit our run mode to activate the system. It pulls up the program that we want it to run. We'll hit enter, it pulls up the program saying we're asking for 1 piece at 6 foot, 6 inches. And what we'll do now is we'll hit start and watch the panel come running out. With that there, now we have a 6 foot, 6-inch panel. Now we'll be taking it over to our taper slitter machine so we can slit it out of taper.
So we've manufactured a panel with one leg, the female leg, and what we're going to process next is we're going to taper the panel. So the first thing that Steve will do is to snap a chalk line on the panel at the desired location and angle.
All right, now what we're going to do is snap our chalk line at a diagonal to run a slit. Once we snap our chalk line, what we'll do is we'll turn on the machine and we'll line it up with the laser. Line it up right up on the laser, and we'll put our rollers up against the material to support it so we can drive straight through without even holding the material. So now what we'll do is we'll just line up the black dot. Line it right up on the photo eye. Line up our mark right there.
And with the taper slitter machine, we also have the ability to run a tapered panel, of course, as well as a straight panel. The next step in the process, once we have our taper cut, is to run it through the tapered panel machine. What this allows is the formation of the opposite leg. We have the ability to use tooling from the SSQ panel machine as well as the SSH or SSR. And what this also allows is male to male or female to female starter panels, as well as a male and female tapered panel.
We'll slide out our entry guide. We'll slide it into the fixed one. We'll slide it up against here so we're nice and square with the machine. And we'll just take our remote and we'll start sliding it through the machine.
As you can see, the entry guide is spring-loaded, which keeps constant pressure against the panel, either tapered going from narrow to wide or wide to narrow, accommodates it either way.
And with all that said, as we go through, now we got a great male side and a female, so now we got a taper panel. Now we just got to put it in production. And
the taper panel machine also has a high flexibility. You can use male to male, female to female, male to female, straight panels, tapered panels, all from one machine, allowing you to reuse the rollers that you already have for one of your NewTek panel machines, SSQ, SSH, or SSR.